Welding is the process of fusing two parts or pieces together using heat and/or pressure to create a joint. This resulting joint may also be called a seam or weldment. To create the seam, welding uses focused, intense heat to melt the filler metal and the original metal together while being protected by a shielding arc created by gas that's specific to the type of welding machine used. Welding is used in several industries. There's also a growing community of artists who use welding to create artwork. The cheapest method of practicing welding is by using scrap metal, which will probably cost you nothing to get. One such area of using scrap metal is using horseshoes, which have completed their lives as actual horseshoes. There are several projects you can do from horseshoes as a beginner welder. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you horseshoe welding project ideas for beginner welders. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. To create the heat necessary to melt various compounds together to create a seam, a welding machine is necessary. The most common types of welders are stick, MIG and TIG. Although you may also find plasma arc, gas tungsten arc, atomic hydrogen and energy beam units, these are typically reserved for highly skilled professionals. The core models are more than sufficient for the novice welder. Among these options, stick welding or arc welding is economical, effective, and the most popular choice for home shops. It works both in the workshop and outside, produces strong welds, and works on most alloy metals, even dirty or rusty surfaces. Although stick welding is the most popular one, it doesn't necessarily mean it is the easiest one to master. Finished welds with stick welding must be cleaned with a grinder. Plus, it can be difficult to master creating a lasting arc. But with time and patience, new and experienced artisans appreciate their stick welder. Metal inert gas or MIG welding is an excellent choice for beginning welders. The method uses an easy-to-handle machine which is usually spool-fed to create professional-looking joints on both thick and thin metals. MIG welding requires separate shielding gas but doesn't require chipping and cleaning slag as the stick welding process can. This makes for a faster and easier welding experience. Tungsten inert gas or TIG welding is a bit more complex to learn but offers a level of precision that other welding machines can't. TIG welders require shielding gas but offer greater control and the ability to fine-tune the current with the use of an amperage foot pedal. TIG welding is good for thin alloy steel, aluminum, magnesium and copper alloys. If you want to take advantage of several different types of welding but lack the space to store multiple welding machines, a multi-process welder may be your best choice. Housing several different processes inside a single machine, this equipment combines multiple functions, like MIG, flux core, TIG and stick welding, in a single unit. Once you develop your welding skills, there are several projects you can tackle just at home. As I have mentioned previously, the best way is to start by repurposing scrap metal pieces you can find near you. You can then gradually proceed to using new materials and tackling bigger projects. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked horseshoe welding project ideas for beginner welders. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.